Hey first grade, welcome to Mrs. Haas's rhyming game. We are going to go ahead and get started with this fun activity, and if you like to rhyme, and if you like games, then this is the perfect activity for you. You do need to go grab two things. You need a piece of paper, and you need a writing utensil so you can keep score. So you can keep score, or someone else in your family can keep score for you. So go grab those few items and then meet me right back here. All right, here is how the game works. I am going to give you some sort of rhyming task, and you have to answer my question. And I will tell you how many points each of the questions are worth. So if you get the question correct, then you get those points. If you do not get the question correct, you do not get the points. So let's see, how many points can you earn in Mrs. Haas's rhyming game? Ready? Here we go. First round, round number 1. You get 1 point for every word that you can come up with that is a rhyming word. So I will give you a word. You are going to come up with as many words as you can. They could be real words. They could be nonsense words. Maybe you want to make that a rule in your family. Yes, they're nonsense words, or no, they're not nonsense words. And I want you to see how many words you can get. Let's see, I will give you 10 seconds for each. So the first word that you are rhyming with ends in A-L-L, ball, all. The word you are rhyming with is ball. How many words can you come up with that rhyme with ball? Ready, set, go. Three, 2, 1, and time. Okay, that is it. So we're not rhyming with ball anymore. Think about how many words you came up with. Write that number down on your piece of paper. So if you came up with 3 rhyming words, I want you to put a 3 on your paper. If you came up with 5 rhyming words, I want you to put a 5 on your paper. This is still round 1. You're going to do the same thing, but this time you are rhyming with a word that ends with am, ham, am. You are rhyming with ham. Go. Ham. Two, 1, and time. No more rhyming for am, ham, am. Okay, think about how many words that you were able to rhyme with am, ham, am, and then write that down. So you're going to add that. We'll do all of our math at the end, but you're going to put a plus sign next to your first number, and then you're going to write how many you earned for the am, ham, am. So maybe you earned 3, so you're going to take the first number plus 3. All right, last one in round 1. This is still worth 1 point each. So next, you are going to come up with as many words as you can in 10 seconds that end with an, fan, an, but rhyme with fan. So rhyme with fan. Go. And time. No more rhyming with an, fan, an. All right, what I want you to do is I want you to add up all 3 of those scores. So how many words rhymed with A-L-L, ball, all? How many words rhymed with am, ham, am? And then how many rhyme with an, fan, an? Add all of those together. So if you got 3 in the first round, plus 3 with am, ham, am, plus 3 with an, fan, an, then you would be at 9 points. So add those up and maybe circle that number. So in round 1, you earned that many points. In round 1, that would be the number of points you earned. We're moving on to round 2. Round 2 is worth 2 points for each question. So pay attention. And if you get the answer correct, you earn 2 points. If you get it wrong, you get 0 points. Either 2 points or 0 points. So this is what you have to do. I'm going to give you 2 words. They both have the same end sound. You have to tell me what their end sound is. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds on this one. That's it. So the first 2 words, remember this is worth 2 points if you get it right. The first 2 words are sink and link. Sink, link. What do they both end with? And time. If you said I-N-K, pink, ink, you got it. That's 2 points for you. Awesome job. So go ahead and write down a 2 on your paper. Next, the next 2 words, still worth 2 points. Honk, zonk. Honk, zonk. What do those 2 words end with? Honk and zonk. If you said O-N-K, honk, onk, you've got it. Those words end with the sound onk. And if you got that right, you are adding that on to the first score from round 2. So that would be 2 plus 2 if you got them both right. All right, we're going to do 2 more of these in round 2. Next, fang, rang. Fang, rang. And time, if you said A-N-G, fang, ang, you got it. Nice work. All right, last one in round 2. That was also worth 2 points, but last one, here we go. Hung, lung. Hung, lung. What do those both end with? And time, if you said U-N-G, lung, ung, you've got it. Nice work. So take a look at how many you got correct in round 2 and add those up. If you got them all correct, the most amount of points you could have earned in round 2 would be 8. So go ahead and write the score you got from round 2 and circle it. At the end, we're going to add round 1, round 2, and round 3. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 2 sentences. These sentences have rhyming words at the end. What you have to do is you have to fill in the blank. So let me give you an example. All right, here we go. There was a dog in my house. So my next sentence, the last word has to rhyme with house. There's missing cheese, and I know it was a... If you said mouse, then you've got it. That would be 5 points for you. But that was just practice. That was just a practice. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Ready? Here we go. The old ship sank. The old ship sank. So the next sentence, the final word has to rhyme with sank. I filled my fish blank. If you said tank, you've got it. Nice job. That's 5 points for you. We're just going to do 1 more of these. That's 5 points for you. All right, ready? Here we go. The lion made a loud roar. The lion made a loud roar. So your last word is going to rhyme with roar. I bought donuts at the blank. If you said store, you've got it. Nice job. That would be 5 points for you. So if you got both of those rhyming words in those sentences, that would be 5 plus 5, which would equal 10. If you only got one of them, that would be 5. If you got none of them, that's 0. What I want you to do is go ahead and add up your points from round 1, round 2, and round 3. Add them all up and figure out how many points that you earned. Pause it here to add up your points, and then play it back, and I'll tell you what you've earned. All right, if you are ready to hear what you have earned, here are your grand prizes. If you earned 0 to 10 points, so that would be anything between 0 and 10, you earned 10 jumping jacks because you were working really hard. Nice job. If you earned 10 to 20 points, I want you to do 10 arm rolls forward and 10 arm rolls backwards, and I want you to think about how proud you are of yourself. And last but not least, if you got 20 points or more, I want you to do 10 star jumps because you are a star. I hope you guys had fun playing my game. We will do more of these, and I miss you and can't wait to see you soon. Bye.